Ayy, I told you I was lit. Ayy, I told you I won't quit. Ayy, watch you make this hit. Hey YouTube, how you guys doing today? Welcome to another video. So today, I'm giving you old box braids with natural hair. Okay. This is just an update. Like, comment, subscribe for more videos. Okay. I got more natural hair videos coming for you guys. And guess what? Guess what? Your girl about to be 25, might be 25. About to be 25, boo boo. Okay, grown woman-ish. Okay. But for my birthday, I will be flat ironing my hair. Okay, we're gonna be flat ironing her. We want to be swinging up issues. Okay. Okay. But yeah. So I'll be flat ironing my hair for my birthday. This month I really just wanted to give my hair a break. I wanted to give myself a break because it's been a journey taking care of my hair. Natural hair definitely can be it gets difficult sometimes, you know? I love it. I love my hair. I really do. But it does get difficult at times. So I just wanted to give her a little break because I just thought that it would be good for me, you know, and I won't have to deal with her for a little bit, you know. So for a whole month, I've been able to kind of just relax. Giving me sherbet. But now, as an update, it's been like, I think this is the third week I've had my hair braided. Going on 4 by next week. But I'll be taking them out probably either tonight or tomorrow. And we'll get her flat iron for my birthday, okay? So, it's very frizzy at this point. Let's see. My ends definitely need a little trim. This is what my ends look like. They definitely need to be trimmed a bit. But that's okay, we're gonna get her together though. We'll get her together when I flat iron my hair. But then again, sometimes when I flat iron my hair, I look at my ends and they don't even be that bad. Cause I know when my ends is damaged. Like, you can tell when your ends is damaged. But sometimes or a few times when I flat iron my hair, my ends are completely fine. I didn't have to trim off a lot. So yeah. But from what I'm looking, from how I'm looking, that didn't make no sense. From what I'm looking at here, I definitely need to trim my ends. Parts of them are thinned out. Well, some of my braids, my ends are thinned out, like this one right here. It's thinned out right here. This one is okay. But yeah, but some parts of my hair needs to be trimmed more than others. And also, I actually have a lot of new growth up here. My scalp is definitely dirty. I need to wash my hair. I was supposed to wash it with the braids in it, but you see, me being a natural hair woman, I won't say guru, because I'm not a natural hair guru, you know, because I'm still learning my hair just like everybody else is. It changes every year, so. But yeah, so me being a natural hair woman, you know, comes a time in my life where I just be like, I don't feel like washing my hair. So, you know, I've been oiling my scalp and everything, keeping my scalp oiled and putting oil on my ends to keep them from like splitting too much. You know, they still a little split just a little bit. But we're keeping them oiled, okay? We gotta keep the ends oiled. Oil. Let me stop. But anyway. Yeah, I'm definitely seeing a lot of new growth. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like the little wrinkly parts of my roots. I definitely have a lot of new growth. It's just looking like really full now. I would do a before picture from when I first braided it to now. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So you guys can see what the difference is between then and 3 weeks later. Okay, so yeah. But you can't see them because my camera angle is booty. But they're down there. I think, yeah, it seemed like it grew a little bit. But them ends is looking a hot mess. They need to be trimmed off. If you guys like to see a video of me trimming my ends, let me know. Cause I'll do it, you know, I'll do it. Cause I had to learn how to properly trim my own ends. Like when I trim my ends, I normally just look for like thinning or like splits or knots, and I just cut it off. But I think that affects how my hair grows. So I'm trying to figure out how to effectively trim my ends without like messing up the growth of my hair, you know. So yeah, I'll be looking at YouTube videos for that. Because I need to know how to trim my ends properly. Because I'm not going to go to anybody because I don't trust somebody with my hair because they be doing too much what they want. They be doing too much. They doing too much. But yeah, this is basically like an update video of like my hair or like my braids that I've been wearing for the past 2 weeks. Look at them edges. Them edges, girl. Okay, girl. Work it. Work it, girl. Work it, girl. I'll probably record like another hairstyle video with these braids before I take them out because they're coming out this week because I'm about to flat iron it, okay? But anyway, so yeah, I think that's it for my update. I don't really have nothing much to say. I mean, unless y'all just like watching me, y'all just want to see me act weird on camera, you know. If you want to see me act weird on camera, just comment down below. Press that notification bell and subscribe, okay? Subscribe to my channel. Yeah. So, I'm signing off. Catch me in my next video. Also, check out my wig video. I was trying on wigs because I was like, sometimes it comes a point in a girl's life she just needs a break sometimes. So I just bought a couple wigs and I tried them on, and it was interesting. I'm gonna put the link or something in the video, thumbnail or whatever, and you guys should go watch it because it was hilarious. I should put a clip in right here so y'all can see. Y'all should see the clip. Roll the clip, girl. Roll the clip. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share. So, what's up, my nana ladies and gents? Welcome to another video. Ay, I told you I was lit. Ay, I told you I won't quit. Ay, watch you make it sit.